Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this session, I'm going to explain how to install Jupyter Notebook with a step-by-step procedure. I promise you that within 3 minutes, you can complete the installation. So kindly follow the instruction. Whenever necessary, you can pause the video and you can find out. I made everything in a systematic procedure. So at the end of the video, definitely you can familiar how to install Jupyter Notebook. First of all, you can select your own browser, convenient browser. Later, click on the search engine. So I have used Google as a search engine. I already mentioned you that in order to run the Jupyter Notebook, you require to install Anaconda. So you just simply type at the search engine, that is Anaconda. You can observe here. Yeah, please be checked it here. I have typed it as Anaconda. Fine. So afterwards, you have to go for search Anaconda. Once I search Anaconda, you can open that particular, you can check the website of that Anaconda. So here, later what you can do is, please try to download that particular tool. Anaconda you have to download. Here you have to observe here. See, look at this. So there is an icon called free download. Kindly click on the free download. Hope it is clear to everybody. Yeah, moving further. In that we have different options like pro, business. Those things are not required because you need to pay. But better we'll go for a free version only because we are going for an educational purpose. So let's go for free version. Third step, you have to download it for your operating system. So since I'm using Windows, I'll be going for the Windows operating system. So kindly click it over here. Okay, you need to click. Fine. So moving on to the fourth step. So as soon as I click, I'll be able to get this kind of window. Kindly observe. So later you can see, you have to click on the download the exe file. So as soon as you click on the download, you will be able to get the exe format file. Later what you can do is please click on exe file. It is possible to install for 64-bit setup as well as 32-bit. Both are possible. So I request you to click on the next. There is an icon called the next. All right. So kindly click on the next. I mentioned with the help of an arrow key. Later, follow I agree. Do agree with the particular terms and condition. I agree. Click on I agree. Later, check all users. Okay. Here you need to click on two options are there. Just me as well as all users. Better go for all users. I have selected for all users. So this is the one. So kindly check it up. Kindly click on all users. Hope it is clear. Yeah. Later, you need to go for the next. Here you can see the next. I put an arrow key. You can check it up. Kindly click on next. Thereafter, again, you have to go for next. You can check the location also. Okay. If you want to have a different location, kindly, I have chosen C as a location. Actually, C drive is my location. If you want to have other location, you have to type the address. All right. So click on next. Again, you have to go for installation. Before that, make sure that you have to tick on create start menu shortcuts. Later, register Anaconda as the system Python 3.11. Well, the version which I am going to use is 3.11. So do click on this. Remaining, you can clear the package, go for untick, not required. So let me go for installation. So whenever you are clicking on the installation, you can see a green colored bar. It is still in progress. It takes a little bit of time. You have to wait and let us complete the installation. Let the process be completed. So you have to wait some time for that. Fine. So thereafter, you can see that there is a pop-up called completed. Once the installation is completed, there is a message you will be getting like installation has been completed. That also you have to observe. So let the progress bar be completed. Again, you have to click on the next step. So click on next once again. That is the step 9. Installation is completed. You can see that installation is completed. So at the end, you can click on finish. Then you can see in the right side, I have put one more diagram. This is icon for that Anaconda. So here you can see that process is getting initialized. Okay, it is initializing. That process is keep on going on. You please wait. You have to wait. Okay. So moving further. Later, you can click on the Jupyter. You can see the option like the Jupyter. Kindly click on the launch. Go for launch. All right. So as soon as you click on the launch, of course, the notebook, the Jupyter Notebook, that is going to appear in your desktop. Now, the location. once the Jupyter is launched, you can identify the location. Okay, if you want, if you are interested to save in C drive, you can save. Okay, or desktop. You can click on the desktop. See, I have chosen the location as a desktop where all my files will be saved in the desktop only. So here you can create a new folder. Here I mentioned, you can check it up once, the desktop. Okay, here you can check it up once. So later what you can do is, you can create a new folder you can create. Okay, it is better to create the new folder. So what you can do is, let's type a simple program. So create a new file. Okay, Python 3. Here you have to click on here. So new, go to new, then click on Python 3. Here it is very clear. New I have selected. So please check it up. So click on new. Later you can click on Python 3. Hope it is clear. So once you open that, you will come to know. Okay. Next is actually you can create everything you can put in the folder. So let's create a folder. Okay, initially we will be getting unnamed folder. Thereafter you can give the naming for the folder also. Okay, rename the directory based on your convenience. You can give the particular name. So I have put the folder name as shown in here. Okay, this is my folder name. Okay, so that you can directly visible here. Whatever I have given the program name, that also you can visible here. I put an arrow key. So later on, you can right click on the created folder. In the whatever the program you are doing, that program can be put in that particular, save in that particular program, particular folder. Hope it is clear to everybody. Yeah. So desktop. This is my folder name. Please clear it off right now. So desktop. Okay. All the things I am going to do in a desktop C drive. Also, I created a folder. That name is mentioned here. Whatever I am doing the program, that I can save in that particular folder. Hope it is clear to all. Yes. Let me go further. Yeah. Now I am going to start the first program. So click on new. So Python, click on Python 3. Okay. Please click on Python 3. As soon as I click on Python 3, I am able to get the the front page, the page of like Jupyter will be looking like in this fashion. Okay. Jupyter is actually opened if I click on that. If you want, you can change the name also. Look at this. This is untitled. It is better to give the name because you have to save, right? So it is better to give the name. So I have given the name as my first program. Okay, you can directly click the mouse pointer. You can rename it. So let me rename it. I have mentioned here. Kindly pause this video, rename properly, later save it. Okay, so now you can see that I already mentioned you that I created a folder at the desktop, namely, this is my name. Okay, this is my name of the folder. All the programs will comes under this particular folder. All the programs will comes under this folder. I think it's clear to everybody. So now we will start one simple program. So let's print our one name. You can print it. Okay, open that particular Jupyter. Now what you can do is print. I put a name. Look at this. Print. You can start with a double inverted comma. You have to inside you can put the name. Correct. Later you have to click on Shift plus Enter. Not only Enter, but you have to click on the Shift plus Enter, so that you will be getting the output. So the name is printed. That means the interpretation that is going to the interpreter will be working in this fashion. That means you type print double inverted comma, type your name, then Shift plus Enter. So the name will be displayed over there. Hope it is clear. Okay. So like this, there are different options. If you want, you can add two numbers like directly you can give the comment print 35 plus 65. Of course, the answer will be 100. As soon as you type, later you can do Shift plus Enter. Okay, Shift plus Enter. Then the result will be displayed over there. Just like a comment window in the MATLAB. You might have heard about MATLAB, Matrix Laboratory. Same fashion you can do it. Similarly, multiplication, print 99 into 99. The answer will be displayed over there. Shift plus Enter. Then answer will be displayed over there. Shift and Enter. You have to remember that. Okay, there are different shortcuts. I will let you know thereafter. So in this video, I just given a brief idea about how to install Jupyter Notebook. Thereafter, how to give the simple comments in the Jupyter toolbox. You need to remember to display the output, you have to use Shift plus Enter. So further shortcut will be discussed in the upcoming session. Let me know if you are having any queries. So I request everybody, whenever you are doing the installation, kindly pause the video and you can go for step by step. I marked everything in appropriate fashion. Let me know if you are having any queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.